If you use Gmail, this video is for you, and if you don't, you should consider using it to boost your prospecting. As you probably know, Gmail is one of the most famous email services in the world. With more than 1.5 billion people registered, the app provided by Google is a must-have for professional and public use as well. In this video, we introduce you to our secret method to send cold email directly from Gmail. Are you ready? Let's discover how to send up to 1,500 cold emails per day with Gmail. First thing first, you need to activate the multi-send mode in Gmail. So to do so, you have to start composing an email, and at the bottom of the email you have an icon here, toggle multi-send mode, and you click on it, and then Gmail indicates you that you are in multi-send mode by adding an unsubscription link at the end of your content. And don't even think about deleting that unsubscription link, because it's mandatory to send multiple emails at once. So unless you want to disrespect the GDPR regulation, you should better leave it where it's supposed to be. As a second step, you need to create a contact list. To do so, there are two options. Either you add contacts manually, or either you use Google Contacts to import multiple contacts at the same time. To import multiple contacts at once, follow this step. You open Google Contacts, you click on Import Contacts, then you select your CSV file and you import it. And that's it. My contact list is ready. I'm just gonna rename my freshly imported contacts. And then the ultimate step to add those contacts to my email is to find my freshly imported list that contains 40 members. I just click on it and all the leads are automatically added. And that's it. You just have to insert your subject, the content of your email, and you can send to multiple contacts at once. And you can now use Gmail to boost your prospecting. One of the main advantages of this option is that you can benefit from services that other mail providers offer. For example, you can add some merge tags to make sure your email are fully customized. So every contact will receive a personalized email with his first name or last name or any merge tag you want to add. And personalization goes way much further with layouts, a large selection of customizable templates to embellish your emails. However, it is recommended only to send newsletters, not for cold email. Now that you know how to send cold email using Gmail, don't hesitate to spread the word around you. And if you want to have more content like this, you can subscribe.